Welcome. Today I'll show you how to search for research using Scite AI. This tool will help you find reliable academic sources for your work. First, open your web browser and go to scite.ai/assistant. When the page loads, you'll see Login button. Click on it. If you purchase an account from us, look for the Copy Email button and click it. Now paste that email address into the email field. Next, click the Copy Password button. Paste the password into the password field. Now click the Login button to enter your account. Once you are logged in successfully, navigate to the Settings section. Look for the option Use Table Mode and make sure it is unchecked. This means turn it off. Find the setting called Always Use Reference and click to enable it. If you want to search for the most recent research, set your starting year. In this example, I'm using the year 2020. For the model selection, choose GPT-5 Nano. At the time I'm making this tutorial, this model provides the best results. If you try to select a more advanced model like GPT-5 Mini, the system will block you because that model is only available for institutional licenses. In the Reasoning Effort section, select High. For response length, choose Long. Set the maximum number of publications to consult to the highest available option. Once you have configured all these settings, click Apply to save them. Now go back to the e-guide and click on Drafting Document Generator. If you would like, take a moment to read the instructions for this generator. First, enter the specific field of study you are working in. Next, type in the name of your university. Now, select which option of your thesis you want to draft from the available options. Choose the language you want to use for your thesis. Select your preferred referencing style from the drop-down menu. Enter how many paragraphs you would like the system to generate for your selected thesis section. Click Generate Paragraph Fields to create the input areas. You will now see several text fields where you can input information from your research. Go back to the paragraph outline and search instruction you created earlier. Select all the search instructions for one paragraph and copy them. Paste this search instruction into the Scite Assistant search box. For better search results, you can manually number each search instruction. Click Go to start the search. The search process may take several minutes, so please be patient. Once the search is complete, you can manually copy the search results. Make sure to copy everything from the beginning of the introductions text all the way to the end of the last sentence. Now paste this search content into the appropriate search result source field. In the Scite Assistant reference section, click the Copy button. paste this reference list into the corresponding reference list text field. Now, let me explain what to do with the key point to focus section. Copy the same search instruction list you used earlier in Scite AI and paste it into the key point to focus text field. You can manually remove the introductory text that says search instruction from each item in the list. Now you can repeat this same process for all your other paragraphs using the exact same technique I just showed you. Once you have completed the search process for every paragraph, click Download Markdown file and save it to your computer.